When Apple says its latest chip delivers MacBook-level performance in a phone, you know we have to take a closer look. Today we're unpacking the new A19 Pro, the silicon at the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone Air. Is it really the most powerful and efficient iPhone chip ever, or just marketing? Let's dive in.
Apple's A-series Pro chips set the pace for mobile performance. But after the A18 Pro faced complaints of thermal throttling, all eyes were on its successor. Enter the A19 Pro, powering the new iPhone 17 Pro lineup. What makes it special? An integrated vapor chamber and upgraded memory deliver up to 40% better sustained performance. These enhancements prevent overheating, keeping the A19 Pro running at its peak during demanding tasks. At the heart of the A19 Pro is a re-engineered 6-core CPU. Its 2 high-performance cores are now 10% faster, making it the fastest CPU in any smartphone. The 4 high-efficiency cores get 50% more cache, saving power. It's all built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process for better efficiency. These upgrades prevent performance loss during demanding tasks like 4K video editing or running large language models, even as the phone heats up. The A19 Pro's new 6-core GPU integrates neural accelerators into each core. Combined with a redesigned architecture, this delivers up to 3 times the peak AI compute. It also introduces hardware-accelerated ray tracing, bringing console-level lighting and reflections to mobile games for the first time. This power makes on-device AI tasks like image processing and real-time translation faster and more efficient. Alongside the GPU, Apple doubles down on machine learning with a 16-core neural engine. The neural engine works in tandem with the GPU's neural accelerators to execute trillions of operations per second. Thanks to updated memory bandwidth and dynamic caching, Apple claims this architecture supports complex models used by Apple Intelligence features in iOS 26, like on-device text and audio translation, image manipulation, and predictive assistance. Developers can access these capabilities via the new on-device foundation model in iOS 26, which powers features like live translation and next-generation photographic styles. For users, this means AI features can run privately on the phone without needing to send data to the cloud. A chip is showcased, representing the secure on-device AI processing enabled by the A19 Pro. A big practical upgrade in the A19 Pro is memory, with Pro variants jumping to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The performance core's L2 cache is doubled to 16 MB. Combined with a 32 MB system-level cache, the chip keeps more data on chip, reducing latency and power draw. To address thermal throttling, Apple introduced a new vapor chamber for the A19 Pro. It spreads heat through the chassis, allowing the chip to maintain peak performance up to 40% longer. This cooling system is exclusive to the Pro models. The iPhone Air uses the same A19 Pro, but lacks the vapor chamber, so sustained performance may differ. Every iPhone 17 model includes the new N1 networking chip, enabling Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. The iPhone 17 Pro still relies on Qualcomm for 5G connectivity, but pairs it with the N1 for local networking. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air uses Apple's new C1X modem, offering up to double the performance of the C1 in the iPhone 16e. Apple markets the A19 Pro as a giant leap, but early tests tell a more nuanced story. Benchmarks show only modest gains, with Macworld describing the CPU improvements as around 10% faster. The bigger story is the GPU, with significant upgrades for AI and advanced graphics. However, most users won't notice a difference until more apps leverage the new hardware. The standard A19 chip in the base iPhone 17 has a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and is paired with 8 GB of RAM. Its GPU is over twice as fast as the A15 Bionic. However, it lacks vapor chamber cooling, so sustained performance isn't as high as the Pro model. This also impacts battery life. The iPhone 17 gets up to 30 hours of video playback, while the A19 Pro pushes the Pro Max to 39 hours. For gamers and creators, the A19 Pro's ray tracing and vapor chamber could mean a smooth 60 FPS in demanding titles. The extra memory and cooling also help maintain performance when editing 4K video or running large AI models offline. However, for typical users, the jump from an A18 Pro will feel incremental. You'll get faster app launches, but it's not a transformative experience. The A19 Pro is a technical achievement, packing cutting-edge silicon ready for next-generation gaming and on-device AI. But the gains over last year's A18 Pro may not justify an urgent upgrade for everyone. Still, it tells an important story. Mobile chips are rapidly approaching laptop-class performance, a trend that will shape the entire ecosystem.
If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.